Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be changing a fork seal, and I'm just going to go through all the steps, like how you should change it. This is going to be like my second time doing it, so make sure you have a bucket to throw the fluid in that is in the shocks. Make sure you have your fork seal. So that's what fluid we're going to be using. And we're going to do the 6 ounces in this, and then this is our fork driver. Alright, so we're going to unscrew this, and then we're going to drain it in there, and we'll go from there. But you will probably want to let it drain for 10 minutes or more, however long you want it to drain for. I'm going for 10. Oh wow, look at all that. We put way too much before, like 12 ounces. And really, we were supposed to put, just drain out the top. We put 12 and we were supposed to put 6. And I think that's why it drained off to the top or started spitting out. But, okay. So now that we drained this out into there, so now we're gonna come to the bottom. Oh, that's not the size. Is this the size? Yep, found the size, and we're gonna unscrew this to make this part come out with the spring. Remember, this is my second time doing it, so I'm still getting used to it. Okay, man, that's tight. Okay, so you gotta take your adjuster off, this part. Okay, next step is get the adjustment on the top of here, like that, and then enough for you to push down, but obviously that was enough. And then you get your wrench. Be careful. There you go, be careful still. And then keep twisting it until the adjustment comes off. And then that's what it looks like, the damper. Make sure you have things in order too. Then next step is come over here. Let's get the seal off. Make sure that's nice and easy. Make sure you get this off first though. Scrap her off behind the dust seal. Then you come back and then you get your stopper ring. Make sure you're careful when you get it, when you're trying to get it out, so you don't damage. Right out like that. There you go. And you have that. I like to have everything in order. All right, now we got all these parts off. Now let's get the damper assembly off to get to the other seal. But make sure you have this off so you can get to this. And before you go boom to get the other seal stuff, make sure you get this out, but make sure everything else comes out. Make sure this is together. Well, more oil stuff than I thought. Now make sure you have all the pieces together. I like to keep everything in line. The piston metal off, and then what I like to do is stack them, and then you get the protector guide, this piece, and I'll just stack it right on top. The washer, and then you get the oil seal, and then there you go. This is the old one, and we have the new one right here, and we'll put that right in. It might not look as bad, but it just was leaking, and you might as well put a new one now you have it off. Or oil seal, then you put that on, the new one, not the old one. the new one's here, and then you put everything back together how it went. And I like the stacks. You can do whatever, however you want to like lay it out. Like you could lay it out like this. I just like to lay it like this. Let's put this back on. Put the oil seal, washer, guide metal, protector guide. Be easy again. You don't have to take this off, but I did, so I can easily slide this over, even though I can just spread it apart like that. Outer tube, and we're gonna use the driver's seal. Okay, we're gonna put the outer tube in, and we're gonna use the fork seal driver to hit it back up. And up here there will be a little ledge that this will stop at, and you'll know when to stop. But be nice and easy with it though, so it doesn't ruin it. Yeah, there you go, it stopped. Okay, let's get our damper assembly in. Sure, nice and easy though. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your adjuster, and then you're gonna get your wrench, and this, and go like that. Press down. I'm gonna get. And have that for a stopper. Tighten it. Remember, I'm still pretty new to this on, and next is putting the fluid in. All right, let's put the fluid in. So right now I'm putting 7 ounces of fluid in it. Probably do that for now. I'm gonna put more. It don't much. Go slow. Sure you get all of it. Starts to fill, just lean it. Make sure you go slow, don't go fast like I am. Add more, and then add a little bit more, not much. Probably about like that. And then we should be good. 7 ounces of fork fluid. But yeah, some forks might take more fluid than others, so we put way too much before. We put like 12 ounces, and that was way too much, and it was spitting out up here. And now we figured out 7 ounces is perfect for the shock. Screw this on, and oh yeah, it feels nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna be way better now. When I was riding, I had like no front shocks. It was like terrible. Hope you guys enjoyed the shock video. I hope it turns out good when I edit. I think it won't. I might have messed up, but correct me if I'm wrong. I said the names wrong. I should know because the manual was right there. I figured out that I did say the right names, but like I said, comment below if I said something wrong. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and peace until next time.